All right, so once you set up your table, we will unpack a bundle of white paper or newsprint. I'll show you how to set up a small stand for your box so you won't have to bend over while you're putting the stuff in the box. And it works like this. You'll get a medium box, set it up, and upside down you can set it over here. My dish box would go on top. This way I will not have a hard time packing the stuff in, getting in there, up, getting back up, and so on. All right, the way you pack a dish, the best way to do is start with the heavier stuff on the bottom, like plates or trays or ceramic bowls. Everything needs to be loaded based on the weight. So we will start with the heavy stuff like we have here, would be the plates and these cups. But first, we're gonna start making some bumpers. Goes like this. You just roll them and fill up the bottom of the box with these bumpers. They will serve as a cushion for vibrations, whatever. Stuff will not get damaged if you do a good job protecting it. All right. It looks like this. I usually do 3 of them. You can get the whole stack next to you, and you start with 1. You will cover it with 1 sheet. Then you will do second, do same thing. You don't want to go more than 3. And then you wrap it nicely. Everything needs to be covered. And the way it would get loaded in the box would be like this. Not flat. Flat, it's not a good idea. They might snap, they might break. But if you load them vertically, they're very strong like this. And you would go like this. Same with the glasses and cups, you want to load them vertically, not sideways. So now we've filled up the bottom of the box. We'll take a look inside. This is the way it's supposed to look. Everything nice and organized. Once you fill up the bottom part, you will continue with making bumpers again. Fill up the top and then continue with glassware. Whatever. Keep in mind, don't put heavier stuff than the plates that you already have there, and always check the weight of the dish. Make sure you can carry it. All right, let's take a look again. This is how it looks. Now you're good to go with the rest of the stuff until you're gonna fill it up. Leave some space. That's gonna be filled up again with bumpers. Once this box is filled up, you're gonna close it, and then we're gonna write on it. We'll do the same thing as we did on the bottom. Once the box is taped up, you're gonna get the marker and write in the top left corner. You want to start with the name of the customer, the place, which would be the kitchen, and then 2 or 3 items as examples of stuff that's in the box. Don't write on the top, always write here, because it's easier to see as you carry it and you load it in the truck. If you load on the top, you're not gonna be able to see anything and it's gonna be stacked on top of each other. This would be the dish pack.